Ladies and gentlemen, today we are walking to a secret pond somewhere in the Bay Area, and today's video is going to be a very special video because I'm here with a very special guest. He is a fellow local YouTube angler as well, a Bay Area basser himself, Ian Lee.
Hey, what's good, everybody?
All right, so I told Ian Lee I have never caught a single bass on a moving bait ever in my whole entire life, and he couldn't believe it. But believe it, because that is 100% a true statement. So I think the game plan is I'm gonna start out with a topwater frog and go from there, see how it goes. What are you starting out with?
I'm gonna start off with the chatterbait because it slayed them last time I was out here. So
Chatterbait. So I think if the topwater frog doesn't work out for me, then I'll probably switch to a chatterbait. Ian's gonna put me on, he said.
Yep. Unless
we'll see what happens. Unless we get kicked out. All right. Well, without further ado, let's go catch some fish, or what Ian would usually say, catch a dingleberries in a minute.
That was awesome.
All right, here we go. Going down. Hope I don't slip and fall. And oh. Oh.
I'm really scared now. Shit.
Do you go through here? You're just hiding in there. Gatekeeper right there. No, we can't hide. I'm just gonna chill. I'm just gonna chill here. Hello. Do you know if we have permission to fish on these golf pond, the ponds out here?
Are you guys even a member of the golf course?
Or? No.
Then I would get off the golf course before you guys get in trouble.
Okay. We'll do that.
This pond here is the only one that actually has fish in it. None of the other ones do.
Yeah.
Do you know if people usually care, or is it kind of like people?
You know, some of these people around here are pretty highfalutin. You know what I mean? Because they got lots of money, so they might complain if you guys are out there fishing on the pond.
That's solid advice. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. That's good.
We'll head out.
Thank you.
We decided to give it a shot, but.
I'd sneak in at nighttime if I was you guys.
Okay.
Smart. That's what I do with the one in Antigua myself. We spent all the time I can catch and release myself, throw them back in. You know.
Yeah.
All right, man.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you so much.
All right. Thanks, man. Okay, people. So it seems like there has been a bit of a change of plans. We tried the golf course. There was too many greenskeepers mowing, blowing, keeping the landscape clean. So we decided to do away for that, put that off for another time. And now we're going urban creek fishing. Never been here before. Just saw it on Google Maps and we decided we're gonna give it a shot here. So walking up to my first spot here, it looks really nice, to be honest. I'm gonna start off with a bandito bug. No more frog. So let's see. Oh, I got a bite already. felt like a bluegill though. Oh, yep. It's picking at it hard. Let's see. Bet you if I had a Senko tied on. I bet you they're sunfish. Oh. All right. Seems to me that I need a smaller presentation. So already, I'm gonna go with the Senko. So first cast with this, let's see what happens. Oh man, I'm bound to catch something here. See, my line's already moving. Yep, something small's in here. Something small is in here. My boy Ian is going finesse. He's gonna for sure come up with some small fish here. Got one. Oh, it's a bass. It's a bass. Oh! No way. No way, boys. Whew. I caught a bass at an urban creek. A small body of water. Just like this. Holds bass. Just like that. Whew. It's beautiful and healthy. Yeah, bro. I'm telling you, I think if you're going finesse, you're gonna have a field day here, dude. Whew. That's pretty. All right, I'm gonna let it go. See if I can catch some more. It's beautiful, dude.
God damn, folks, look at that. I haven't even made my first cast. I just got down here, and my boy literally just caught his first bass. Is that your first bass of the day?
Yep.
Hell yeah. First bass of the day.
Yep, you're gonna have a field day, dude.
Oh.
It's bleeding out, so I'm gonna let it go.
I'm excited.
See ya.
I'm gonna start off with the rat. Ooh.
Right?
There we go.
Oh, you got one?
There we go.
Woo! This is gonna be a fun day, dude.
Oh hell yeah, dude. Golf course didn't work out for us, but you know what?
Was that your first cast, dude?
Bless us, huh?
Was that your first cast?
Yep, first cast, man.
Oh man.
Cast. Got myself a little bass on the rattling net.
Urban creek fishing at its finest, right here. Woo! I just got bit again. Definitely have a chance to double up here.
Oh hell yeah.
Got one. Woo! Get up here, boy. Yeah. Oh man, this is gonna be fun. Second fish. Out of the creek, baby. Another beautiful tiny one, but still fun. Wonder if I can get one over 1 pound out of here. So I'm gonna save this spot for later. Gonna go closer to Ian real quick. Explore other areas of this creek. Maybe we can catch other species, I don't know. Let me see that. Did you break a pound?
Yeah, it's a nice fish.
That's beautiful, dude.
It's at least a pound.
Yeah.
At least a pound.
That's a nice one, dude.
Oh my god, this one fought good.
Let me see that.
Yeah, baby.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That look good.
Nice, buddy.
Here we go. Woo!
There we go.
Holy mondo, this thing is huge. Woo! I think we're both on a
future 10-pounder right there.
Holy moly. Let's get him back in the water so he can be at least a pound. Yeah, 20 pound. Oh, damn, it's so pretty though.
Oh, hell yeah, dude.
The fish in here are really nice. Woo. Yeah. Can't tell if I have a bite. I think I do.
You just follow the bite?
I think so, but I can't tell. YOLO!
Oh, there we go. Is it a good one? Looks like a good, oh.
Woo!
There we go. That's a decent guy.
I think that's the biggest one.
That's a decent guy, man.
Biggest one today for me.
Oh, there we go, folks. Look at that. Bay Area Bassing.
Oh yeah.
Bass. There we go. That is a decent one. That's a decent creek fish right there.
Yeah, I let him have it though. I gotta get the pliers for this one.
Oh yeah, you're using a Senko, right?
Yeah, I cut it in. I bit off like a fourth of it just because the fish in here are small.
Yeah.
And it's paying off.
That's like hella interested in, like, you know.
Yeah.
They are not durable. That's for
Fish is safe and sound, guys. I'm getting a bite. Hella small. I could tell it's really small. Yep, here we go. Woo!
Yeah. Yep, there. What is that? Is that a largie?
Yeah. Man, these
I think
things
once
are
we start
small.
finding, like, once we start catching like little spotted bass, I think then we're gonna be in the juice.
Yeah, I think it's over there though. Man. This thing is, I'm gonna take a picture of this because it's just small and purty.
Yeah. Even dinks need some love, am I right?
Yep.
Fish with this one dude, right?
Mm-hmm.
And like at first I thought he was hella chill.
Uh-huh.
And
Woo! I'm just gonna go down here. So I'm going back to spot number 1. I left there a little bit early because I wanted to save some of those fish for later. There's tons of sticks, logs down there that I know all those fish are hiding under. My boy Ian is gassed. That boy is gassed. Look at him.
oh,
Look at him.
huh?
Whew! Back to spot number 1. No. What the f was that? Oh, lost another bait. I'm gonna go to my car and grab another. Be right back. So I went to my car, grabbed the small jerkbait here. Hopefully the rattle in it is gonna entice some of the bass to come out of the cover. We'll see though. Never caught a bass on a moving bait, so I don't know. Got one. Oh my God. You guys have witnessed me catch my first largemouth bass on a moving bait. I am so freaking hyped. Okay, it looks like it's been foul hooked, but I promise you guys it was hooked in the mouth. See, that's why it's bleeding from his mouth. But anywho, whoo! Yeah, we're gonna let him go, boys. Whew. First ever bass on a moving bait. See ya.